If you have been struggling to create professional videos that actually stand out, stop scrolling because you have found the right video. Today I am taking a really close look at MagicLight AI to answer the big question everyone is asking. Is this truly the best AI video generator available right now? Or is it just another flashy tool with no substance? Here is the truth based on my honest review. I have used dozens of these AI platforms, and usually the results feel robotic or the rendering takes forever. However, MagicLight AI was different. The workflow is seamless, which is a lifesaver for beginners, marketers, and busy entrepreneurs. It handles the complicated editing tasks automatically, transforming your raw scripts or basic concepts into eye-catching videos in just a few clicks. It is not about replacing your creativity, it is about amplifying it. If you want speed without sacrificing that professional look, this is the tool to use. Now, let's talk about the price. Great tools usually come with a heavy price tag, but I did not want you to pay full retail value. I searched everywhere and found a specific MagicLight AI coupon code that is 100% working today. Why pay more when you can get the same powerful features for a fraction of the cost? Check the link right now in the description box or the top pinned comment. When you use that link and apply the code, you are going to unlock a massive discount. This isn't a small saving. It is a huge deal that makes this software incredibly affordable. If you are ready to make some magic with your content while saving money, go redeem that code before the offer ends. Thanks for listening and happy editing.
Animate. Under the Animate tab, there are 4 animation options available. We recommend going with the bottom 2. They usually give better results. There are 2 types: Smart Animate and Prompt-Based Animate. Once everything looks good, click Next for the final setup. Here, you can cover settings, subtitle settings, choose background music. Once everything's ready, just click Generate to automatically create your video.
In a quiet village, nestled between misty hills, lived a lonely orphan boy named John.
And that's it!
He had no family.
Super simple. Click the link below to visit MagicLight, create your own video, and post it on your channel. With enough views, you can start earning from your videos too.